I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwar School, Gurgaon. Today in this video, I am going to clarify you the difference between charge against profit and appropriations out of profit. Let me very first tell you what charge against profit means. These are those items which company has to pay even in the case of losses. Means either there are profit or there are losses, the company has to make payment of these items. But appropriation out of profit are those items which are only paid out of the profits. These charge against profit items are represented in profit and loss account to find out net profit and net loss of the firm. But the items which are appropriation out of profit, those are just the distribution of the profits among the partners of a firm. The items which are charged against profit, that could be rent of the building, that could be electricity bill of the office, that could be stationery expenses. Means these are the things that we have to pay to the third parties. Outside the firm we have to pay. So company is bound to make payment of these items. But the things which are distributed among the partner, here the company is not bound, the firm is not bound. If there are profits, then those will be divided among the partners. If there are losses, then those will be charged from the partner. Now suppose some partner is working as an employee, as a manager, or he is working as partner only. Means he is partner as well as he is manager for the firm. So as a manager, he is getting a commission from the firm. So when he is getting commission from the firm as a manager, then he has to receive it, because here he is working as manager. But if he is receiving a commission as a partner, then he will not be able to bound the firm to make payment of that commission in the case of loss. But that commission he is receiving as manager, that he must receive, and he can bound the firm because he is now getting that as manager. So commission to manager is boundation, the firm has to pay. But the commission to the partner is not a boundation. If there are profits, then commission to the partner will be paid, and if there are no profit, then that commission will not be paid. Similar with the salaries, if some partner is getting salary from the firm and there are losses, so that salary will not be paid to the partner. But if there are employees in the firm and there is a due salary to employees, then we as a firm are bound to make payment of that salary, because that employee is not the owner of the firm, is not the partner of the firm. He is a third party. The two main parties for a business is the business itself and the owner of the business. Everyone else is a third party, and the payment which we are making to those third party is charge against profit. It means we as a firm has to make payment for that. Hope that the difference here between the two items is very clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.